On Monday, Iran hanged a man in public who had been convicted of killing two members of security forces. The judiciary's Mizan news agency reported the second execution of people involved in anti-government protests in less than a week. Nationwide protests in their third month erupted after the death of 22-year-old Kurdish Iranian woman Mahsa Amini on September 16th in the custody of morality police, enforcing strict mandatory dress code laws. The demonstrations have turned into a revolt by furious Iranians from all walks of life, posing one of the worst legitimacy challenges to the clerical leadership since the 1979 revolution. Mizan reported, and I quote, Majid Reza Rahnavard was hanged in public in Mashhad this morning. He was sentenced to death for waging war against God after stabbing to death two members of security forces. The semi-official Fars news agency said Rahnavard killed two members of the Basij volunteer force and wounded four others. The Basij force, affiliated with the country's Revolutionary Guards, has been at the forefront of the state crackdown on protests. Activists on social media criticized the execution of the 23-year-old Rahnavard as a criminal act by the clerical establishment to deter dissent. On Thursday, Iran hanged Mohsen Shekhari, who had been convicted of injuring a security guard with a knife and blocking a street in Tehran, the first such execution after thousands of arrests over the unrest, drawing a chorus of Western condemnation. Rights groups have said Shekhari was tortured and forced to confess. Molavi Abdul Hamid, an outspoken Sunni cleric in the Shiite-ruled Islamic Republic, has said that the death sentence of Shekhari violated Sharia law. Rights group HRANA said that as of Sunday, 488 protesters had been killed, including 68 minors. It said 62 members of the security forces had also been killed. It added that as many as 18,259 protesters are believed to have been arrested. While the United Nations says the protests have cost more than 300 lives, a top Iranian state security body has said that 200 people, including members of the security forces, had died in the unrest.